Tayo ay magluto ng turon sa ating snacks para kay Pinchy. Sarap-sarap naman yan. I'll fry it there. And you'll see it's gonna be crunchy. It's have a banana and coconut inside. Ito na siya. Pina-fry ko. Na-fry ko na yung first batch. Second batch naman. Kasi meron pang natira. Look at that. Sarap. Tinitikman ko na rin pala. Masarap. Kasi may coconut eh, oh. Mainit lang. Tapos na ang ating turon. Sarap. Natikman ko na siya. It's very good. Itong dalawa is without turon. Just makapuno. Meron siyang makapuno and banana. From the Philippines. So what's inside?
There's a banana inside.
What's this called?
Turon.
Turons. That's yummy?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yep.
Very good.